Okay, everybody, so it's time to start getting busy. What you need to do is cut you some strips. These are 3 rows by 30 squares. As you can see, 3, and then there's 30 little squares. So you need to make as many of these as you need to create the design you want. This is a little simple design. It does need a few more pieces, but just for this video, I just threw some together. But I have a lot more made. So make as many as you think you're going to need. Probably, I would say if you're doing 2 colors, maybe 15 of each. That way you have plenty. If you have too many, that means you make 2 or 3 out of it. But for now, I'd say at least 15 of each. If you want to do all different colors, all of these different colors, this is red and gray for Alabama football team because I live in Alabama, so I did Alabama colors on this one. I am doing a white and pink also. I went and got some beads. These I bought from Walmart. I've got, so for the pink and white design that I'm going to do, I'm going to use these beads. And for the Alabama, I'm going to use the clear. And the reason for that is because they're supposed to be in your window. They're supposed to be kind of like sun catchers. So I'm going to do the clear for this. Now, if you want to get multicolored beads or letters or fancy beads, any of that is fine. You can use any type of beads that you choose. I just got these because they're cheap and there's many of the same type color of bead. So I know that I can complete the design I wish to choose. So like I said, go ahead, start making about 15 of each color. If you want to do 15 of 4 different colors, that'd be great because the more you have made, the less time you'll have to stop to stitch some more of these little teardrops. The video part 1, 2, and 3 is in the description below. And here you go. So go ahead and get started. I'll see you soon. I'm working on the video, so it may be a couple more days and give you time to get these stitched up and ready to create, so that once the video is uploaded, you've already done your prep work and you're ready to create the design that we're going to make. I'm so excited. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so when that next video pops up, you'll be the first one to watch it and you can get started. Have a wonderful day.